Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering essentials. Find your Rust install folder and back up the character model files. That protects progress. Once done, enable the developer console in settings and bind a convenient key because you will use it repeatedly. Make sure to install or update any mods, skins, or texture packs that will interact with the model so you avoid conflicts. These steps remove surprises later and let you begin modifying the model with confidence and a clear rollback plan. Next, open the console and apply targeted commands to change the model, testing a single parameter at a time so you can track effects. Use exact model ID, appearance values, and scale parameters. Imprecise input will do nothing or break the display. Once you tweak a setting, reload the asset or restart the session so changes commit. Keep a list of commands you used, because reverting is faster when you can repeat steps in reverse order, and verify the character behaves as expected. To finish, confirm the model looks correct in multiplayer and during different animations, because local previews can be misleading. If textures fail or the model glitches, restore the backup immediately to prevent corrupted saves. Make sure to clear the cache and check mod compatibility if problems persist, since conflicting mods are a common cause of errors. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue after each fix so you identify the change that solved it and avoid reintroducing problems later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.